Welcome. In front of me I have DOOGEE S96 Pro, and today I will show you how you can check your battery information in this smartphone. So we have to open the Play Store and we have to get external application to check that data. It's named the Ampere. So let's get it. It's from the brand shop. Let's open it if you download, and as you can see here we got a lot of things like the level of charge. So as you can see it's also in the normal mode in the smartphone, but here we got the health, technology, the max capacity, temperature, voltage, the status currently that is discharging, and something like the model, Android version, or byte ID, build ID, or manufacturer. When you swipe on the right, you get the same information, but in the other theme. So it looks really nice. And of course, when you swipe on the right, you can also check the charge rate. So there's the additional information here. And basically that's all. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.